Good morning, students. Take out your social studies book. Lesson 13, our agriculture. Agriculture or farming is very important for us. Two-thirds of India's population depend on agriculture. Agriculture provides food for people, fodder for animals, and raw materials for industries. Our farmers grow a variety of crops throughout the year because we have fertile soil, favorable climate, and sufficient irrigation facilities. Our farmers grow mainly two types of crops. They are food crops and cash crops. Now here look, agriculture means cultivation of land to grow crops. It is also associated with rearing of useful animals. Now first go to food crops. Food crops are grown to feed the people of the country. They form the staple diet of the people. Paddy, rice, wheat, maize, millets, and pulses are the main food crops of our country. Now, dear students, here in this map, you can see the rice and wheat growing areas of our country. Here, this area, in this area, rice is grown in very high quantity. Here, also, rice are grown. This one, this area, in these areas, wheats are grown, and in these areas also wheats are grown. Paddy, or we can say rice. Rice is the major food crop of India. India stands second to China in the production of rice. It grows well in hot and humid climate with plenty of rainfall. West Bengal, Assam, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and Kerala are the major rice producing states. Now, rice is the staple food, means main food of the people of eastern and southern parts of India. Now, here look, this man is growing or doing the farming of rice. Now, next go to wheat. Wheat is the second most important food crop. It grows well in cool and wet climate. The main wheat producing states are Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, and Gujarat. Wheat is the staple food of people of the north and northwestern India. Now here you can see the wheat ground where farmers are growing wheat. Now next go to millets. Millets are also known as coarse grain. They include jawar, bajra, and ragi. They are usually grown in those areas where rice and wheat cannot be grown. Millet producing states are Gujarat, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Madhya Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu. Here you can see the millet field. Pulses. Pulses include gram, green gram, or we can say mung, pigeon pea, arhar, black gram, urad, and other dals. Main states producing pulses are Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Rajasthan. India is the world's largest producer and consumer of pulses. Now, here in this picture, you can see the pulses grown by the farmers. Case crops. Case crops are grown for sale only. They are used as raw materials for industries and also to earn foreign exchange. Main case crops of our country are sugar cane, cotton, jute, oilseeds, spices. Some case crops grown in special farms are called plantation crops. Tea, coffee, and rubber are some example of plantation crops. Now, here in this map, you can see this area. In this area, sugarcanes are grown. In this area, cottons are grown. In this area, jutes are grown. In this area, coffees are grown, and in these areas, tea is grown. Sugarcane requires fertile soil, hot and moist climate, and plenty of water to grow. It is the raw material for producing sugar and jaggery. India is the birthplace of sugarcane. In production of sugarcane, India has the second position in the world. Uttar Pradesh is the leading producer of the crop, followed by Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, Gujarat, Bihar, Haryana, Punjab, and Madhya Pradesh. Now, in this picture, you can see the sugarcane crops are grown. Next, go to cotton. Cotton requires warm, sunny weather and black soil or alluvial soil. It is the raw material for making clothes. It is a major fiber crop in India. India is one of the leading producers of cotton. Short staple variety of cotton is mainly cultivated in India. In India, cotton producing states are Gujarat, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, and Punjab. Here in this picture, you can see the cotton field. Jute. Jute needs alluvial soil of flooded plains and deltas. Jute is the raw material for making carpets, bags, ropes, etc. India has the first position in the production of jute. West Bengal is the main jute producing state. Jute is also cultivated in Uttar Pradesh, Assam, Odisha, Tripura, and Meghalaya. The fiber has an important position in earning foreign money. Now next go to oilseeds. Oilseeds include groundnut, mustard, linseed, sunflower, and sesame. The oil extracted from these seeds is called vegetable oil. It is mainly used in cooking. Oilseeds are grown in different parts of our country. Now next go to tea. Tea is a major beverage crop. It requires warm and wet climate and well-drained soil with iron content. India is one of the leading producers of tea in the world. Tea grows well in hilly regions of Assam, West Bengal, and Tamil Nadu. Darjeeling tea is famous for its good taste and flavor in the world. Now here you can see the tea garden where some ladies are plucking the tea leaves. Coffee. Coffee is the most important beverage crop in the world. It needs cool weather and well-drained saline alluvial soil. It is mostly grown in Kerala, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu. Species Spice farming is extensively done in the whole of India. Each kind of spice is grown in a unique manner. Each spice plant needs a different climate, soil condition, irrigation, manure, etc. Species include pepper, chili, cloves, cardamom, ginger, etc. Kerala has earned the name in producing spices. Now next go to rubber. Alluvial soil and heavy rainfall is needed for rubber plantation. Rubber is used in the production of tires, sports goods, mattresses, cables, shoes, slippers, etc. The sap obtained from the rubber tree is known as latex. Rubber plantation on the banks of Priyar in Kerala give about 90% of the rubber in India. Tamil Nadu also produces rubber but in a small amount. Now next point, go to livestock. Livestock refers to farm animals raised in an agriculture setting to produce commodities such as fiber and labor. The chief kind of livestock reared are cattle, camels, horses, pigs, sheep, and poultry. Now here you can see the livestock or the farm animals used for agriculture setting and to produce food and fiber. India has a very large number of cattle. Cattle which give us milk are called milk cattle. Oxen are used to pluck fields and draw water from wells. They are also used to pull carts to carry the farm produce to the market. Cattle are used to separate grains from the chaff. Cattle waste is used as manure and for producing biogas. Other animals are also important. The hair of sheep, goats, and camel is used in making wool. The meat of animal is also eaten. Camels are reared in Rajasthan, Gujarat, and Haryana. They carry people and loads in sandy deserts. Horses are used for riding. Donkeys are used for carrying loads. Mules and yaks are used to transport goods and people in hilly areas. Poultry is rearing of hens for production of eggs. Fish is another source of food for many people. We get large quantities of fish from rivers, lakes, tanks, ponds, and seas. The animal wealth of India is a useful resource. They are source of farm manure, hides, and skins. India is able to export hides to several other countries. India leads the world in the number of cattle, but it is unfortunate that they are not properly looked after. They are of poor quality. The states of Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Gujarat, Punjab, and Haryana are very rich in cattle. We should always be kind to animals and treat them well. Our government is making efforts to improve the quality of our cattle. Their food is being improved and their diseases are being controlled. Now, students, this lesson is over. Now, I'll give you the homework, and your homework number one is what is livestock, and homework number two is what is agriculture.